Hey everybody, how are you? And I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't been going to Dollar Tree that often lately, where I was going quite a bit. And the Dollar Tree became the $30 tree, so I kind of tried to back off a little bit. So anyway, it is fall coming up, and I did have to get some things. So really, this is a pretty big haul for me. I think probably this is one of the biggest hauls I've done in a long time. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, the first thing, I saw these leaves and I loved them. And they are not your typical autumn leaves, but look at the white pumpkins. And the leaves on here are kind of a pinkish color actually, but they're really different. I only got two because I didn't know for sure, you know, where I was going to put them or what I would do with them, but I really liked them. Then I'm hoping to do kind of a candy corn theme, if you will, for Halloween, which will go into just plain fall. And these work perfectly for that. And a couple of these which have the little berries on them that are like the berries on this. Perfect candy corn color. I really like those. Then I got these stickers because I want to do a DIY for Christmas with this cookie sheet. And I got some more of this pop dot tape, but I'm going to be using it for some faux goodies. And I have not found any vinyl, okay? And you know how the vinyl Dollar Tree was the big craze there for a while. Well, they had red, green, I think it was red, green, and I want to say blue. Yeah, it was blue. And I just got the red because I want to see how it works if I ever get my Cricut going. I don't want to hear anything from anybody. I got some Epsom salts because I'm going to be doing a DIY with this. And then they had these cutouts. Oh, I already had that one. Okay. I want to do a DIY with this haunted house, but they had 3 different kinds, and I'll show you in just a minute. Got this pumpkin. I'll paint it on this side, but I want to paint it also on that side here. This feels like balsa wood to me. Hold on. And I got quite a few of these, actually, these wood cutouts, because number one, they store really well because they're so flat. But there's some things, like I said, I want to do with them. But anyway, here's another one of, this is with the Haunted Mansion. So I think they've done just like almost a whole little city on these because these are entirely different. Then this pumpkin is really nice. It's got 3 different, it's a dimensional. So there's laser cuts on this. I would take this off, this is cheesy, but. And then the witches' hats I thought were really cute. And I got the same of those, and then this one. And I thought I had one like this. I usually get 2 when I get these in case I want to put them together. But I got that. Wood cutouts. Another. I always think of the Sanderson sisters, so I do things in 3s when it comes to the wood. And I got some of these brushes. These would be more, for me, it would be more like a dry brush if I was doing something dry brushing. And then I was almost going to keep this just like it was, but I'm probably not going to. I'm going to probably completely redo this. And this, I don't know if I'm going to use for faux food. I'm not sure yet. Then they had this, which again, with the witch's theme, it says Wicked. And then these little ghosts, I mean, aren't these cute? Here's a small one of the haunted. I love black cats, and at Halloween I really like them as well. So they had this one with a little pumpkin. And then if you do a Halloween tree, which I'm not doing, but look at the ornaments, and there's 8 in each. Got the ghost, the witch's hat, and the black cat. Got some cups, and these cups are for my resin, and some of these pumpkins. Wipes, and these are for my craft room. And I always seem to need a nail clipper when I'm at work, because if I break a nail or whatever, it drives me nuts if I can't get it cut right. So I'm going to put one of these in my apron for work. And then they had these pumpkins, and I love this color. They also had these berry picks, so I got them in black. Got another one of these candles. I'm going to be doing a DIY with this. I told you this was a big one. Found this pumpkin spice. This little sign, I love these little signs that they have, and then it has this on top. I don't know if I'm going to alter that in any way. I will keep the pumpkin spice because that'll be my kitchen for fall. Then I found the cork, and I have a DIY for this. You'll be seeing that shortly. So that's pretty cool, and it's got an adhesive back. I got this alphabet, but it won't look like this when I'm using it and what I'm using it for. And I like picking up these books. This one I don't have, but this one is the Soup, Stews and Bowls, Creative and Appetizing Recipes. I'm a sucker for these. Then I found this sticker. Won't this be perfect for Everly when I do a scrapbook page on her with all her little acting? Then they had this, and I thought that was pretty. It's one of those silk scarves. So I thought that was pretty. Anybody that knows me, they know I wear a lot of black. Got some of my facial wipes. I love Dollar Tree facial wipes. I use them all the time. And I like this particular pink nail polish from Dollar Tree. There are others I don't care for, but that particular one I do like. And I got a package of these witch hats. Thought those were cute. As well as these pumpkins. And look at these, how cute. These little sunflowers. Aren't those cute? And I already know what I'm going to do with these. This is going to go on one of my faux foods. I got some of this glitter ribbon for the Halloween DIYs. And I won't be doing a lot of DIYs this year for Halloween, but a couple. And more of these berries. And I just got the orange and the black. And a couple more of these. Because anything I do Halloween will be more retro. And I try as much as I can to get my styrofoam for my faux foods from the Dollar Tree. And that is what these all will be for. And then I got 2 of these glasses. foods in. I love that. It's like a hurricane glass. Some of this. Isn't that cute? It's ribbon. And I got 3 of these because I'm going to change these. They're not going to be like this when I'm done. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. Gather with a grateful heart. Pumpkin kisses. Heartfelt wishes. I got this little ghost. Got another one of these micro cloths, the white. It's going to be for a Christmas DIY. I bought this. It's a bendable ruler, which is perfect when you're doing the checks, Mackenzie Child checks. Pair of black socks for DIY. And I have the hardest time with clips. There's so many I don't like. So I'm going to try this one. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. And then I buy a lot of cleaning stuff from Dollar Tree because I'd rather pay $1 than $3 or $4 or $5. So I got this Scrub and Clean double action cleaning cloth. Fabric cleans on one side and scrubs on the other, scratch free. So we'll see how that works. I've never bought one before. The Brillo Basics. And a chamois. We're almost done. Then I got three of these pumpkins because I'm not keeping them this way. But I like that they're on stands. This was cute. These are, let's see, 12 pieces, and they're the little black cat. Like I said, I'm doing retro and it'll be orange and blacks. Bought a back scrubber. I always buy these from the Dollar Tree for your clothes. Then they had the bigger sunflowers, like the small ones. And then this one, I thought that was cute. And this one, which I don't think I'm going to keep it this way. I think I'm going to redo it. But yep, that's what I got, guys. That is my haul. I told you it was a big one. So now I probably won't go back until they get their Christmas stuff put up. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. And thank you so much for watching this. And we'll get busy on our DIYs and our faux food. We're still not done with that. But that'll be through the year. I mean, that's something that'll continue. So guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it.